So good evening everyone, this is Raj Mandil in front of you, and I am here to present, I am here to talk about my cartoon character which is based on the Bheem. The Bheem is basically called as the Chota Bheem. The serial the Chota Bheem has come in the so many channels like Pogo, Hangama, and so many channels. And if we talk about the Beam, it is very strong mentally and physically. The both his friends, they are very helpful with the Beam, and they just help others with make the unity with the Beam. And there is a the fatty friend of Beam is the Kalia, and his two servants are there. Their name is Dholu and Bolu. The Kalia is so fatty, and he is black in color, and not a black, he is brown in color, and he is also so much helpful to for others. He just help others, but he always against in the Beam. And he just do the competition with the Beam, that for the proof that he is very strong than Beam. But the Beam is always take the chance of that and take the win. And in some of the serials and some of the cases, the Beam always fight and win. And as we all know, the source of his strongness is the laddu, and which was made by the Chutki's mother. It's the very fantastic laddu by which the Bhim get so much energy and the fight. And uh, and the uh, the Chutki's mother's laddu always all the friends like that laddu. And as we seeing in this picture, the Bhim is fighting, not he is fighting position. He is just because that he is it is showing that he is very strong. And as we saw a serial that a saint give the curse to the Kalia, and just because of that, all the Dholakpur become fearful. And but the Bhim is only one who can't fill with the fear, and he just fight with the fear. And by that fighting, he just win and lose the fear. And by which and by the Veem, we saw so many we learn so many things like that. We always prepare by mentally and physically both, and he is very strong, and we should also are strong. And he just help others, he just help of others, so we also help others. Thank you, that's my present. Thank you, sir.
My question is to you this. What is the inspiration which you get watching the serial?
I get the inspiration that the Bhim is very strong by mentally and physically that I am, and I never lose my confidence. That's I inspire with them.
What is another thing you learn by watching this serial?
I learn that his friends are very close with him, and always help him, and and always help with him. And most of the time they just they just first they just close in something, and they just help to Bhim to fight with the villain.
Anybody who wants to ask question?
Please.
You can ask question.
If Beam don't get laddu, so what will happen? The Beam will be fight or not? Will be fighting or not?
In the serials, so many time always it shows that the Bhim Bhim fight with the laddu, and the laddu is the only source which give the energy to the Bhim to fight. It is not properly said in any serial that without laddu he cannot fight.
See, Bhim loves to fight, right?
Yes,
He's
sir.
very mighty, he's very powerful. So is it good for the children to fight in the little age?
No, he just fight with to anyone just for the right thing. like he just fight with the good, the thieves, and so many villains. They just said to the children that never fight with the for the wrong. Always fight for the right.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.